Hello, good morning, friends. We are at Sant Tukaram Maharaj Temple at Bhandara Temple. You can see very beautiful temple inside. They are building the temple here. Some cranes are here. This is the very oldest temple, around you can say more than 600 years back. This is the area here. You can visit nicely here. Very good atmosphere. Lots of fog is here around. You can visit, guys. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Bonjour. Please subscribe the channel Atul Exploration of the World, and you will get loads of videos like this. So this temple will be like this after finishing its construction. It's a developing phase, first, second, third, fourth. The entire view will be like this. Thank you. Have a nice day.